My name is Mario Ramirez. I'm a photographer here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Photographer, videographer, just a general storyteller. And one of the issues I've had was getting a production cart. I have this Gator frame, which is the same as the Rock and Roller. And there's different brands. They're all basically the same. They're just a good general cart, but they don't have a top here. So I can put stuff on. And the bottom here, you can put bags, but you don't have things can roll in, so they have to be a certain width. I wanted to buy a production cart. I got one of those Olympia carts, and it's pretty good, but the wheels are kind of flaky, and that causes some issues in some terrain. This one has some real good wheels that can go on different terrain. Sometimes you got to go through some parking lots, some gravel, some desert areas. So I wasn't gonna, not that I wasn't going to, it's just I found it too expensive for me to get one of those innovative carts and those Addy carts. They're over $1,000. And the thing is with this one, I can do my general bags and stuff, but I also do photo booth sometimes. And this one has the advantage that if I turn it over, I can show you. And I can make it much longer to fit more things. So it has its utility when I need to. When I have to bring in a lot of gear, it has its utility. So this is great. But again, has no shelves. Sometimes I just want a regular production cart. So the standard width. And like I said, I wanted to make it into a production cart, but I didn't want to build. I'm not that savvy with construction and carpeting and all that. I've seen a whole bunch of DIYs online, and I'm like, I can't do it. I'll just probably mess it up. So I did see this advertising for this product here. It's called Lava Cart, and it's a modification kit, and it looked really good. So it's kind of like what I wanted. So let's open it together, set it up, and I'll show you if this is something that might be of interest to you too. They did not send me this. I bought it off my own money. They did give me a discount code because I went online to their Instagram and I said, hey, I'm going to buy it. Do you have any offers? And they were like, sure, here's the discount code. It was like $50 off. So that's pretty good. So let's see what we have here. Since I have the Gator cart, there's some modifications for it that's different because you can use it on the Rock and Roller, this one and this other one. So we have all the different parts here. We'll get to this in a moment. Let's see what else we have here. These are part of the hooks and rails. Perfect. Drop that on the floor. It doesn't matter. And here's the cart itself. The modification parts. I'll be right back. It does have a set of instructions, a sticker with a QR code. Everything has that now. And $30-day return policy. Thanks, Mario, for the purchase. Thank you for selling me it. And let's set it up. Okay, so this is the unit itself. This is the top shelf. It does come with the bottom shelf here in the back. A couple of things. The version that I bought does not have the power strip. You could get the version with the power strip. I did not opt for that because I don't generally need power on my cart. So I'm going to do the Dominican thing and set it up just based on what videos I saw and not read the manual. It has these bungee cords here in the back. You just, to hold it together, you just take them off. Okay, and put these on the side for now. Should need this right here. Okay, so we have the two parts. This is the bottom shelf. It has this rubberized material so things won't slip. So obviously this goes on the top and this goes on the bottom because this doesn't have it. So this goes here. Perfect. Okay. Now the top unit, you take the rod out. Okay. And doesn't matter which side, because both sides have 1/4-20 sections here. What will matter is later which side you put your handles. So the wheels that turn are here towards the back, the way I have it right now. So I'm going to set up that side first. You take the rod, put it in the top here. Okay, so you just go straight like that. Now, because this is a Gator cart, they had to send me modification spacers, which should be in here, which was extra. You have to tell them what type of cart you have, and here they go. These are the spacers. Now, because the width is different depending on the cart. This one seems to be a bit thinner than the Rock and Roller. So these are the spacers. Okay, so again, I'm going to take this out here. Okay, so let's put, perfect. Let's put the spacer in here. Perfect. There we go. And the spacers are in. Okay, so it seems 2 short spacers. Okay, so we'll go back here. And we take 2 short spacers here. This is the large one, goes back inside. Now we come to the other side, and it's basically the same operation. Okay, perfect. So this is the cart. And you see that little wiggle? that it still has, you just take the bungee cord from here, this one to this one, and this one from underneath here to the next one. Sorry. And there, perfect. Okay. And there you have a production cart. Here's the extras. I have the handles, which go through the back wheels on the 1/4-20 here. My handles here. Little tip, don't lift from here, especially if you're heavy. Lift from the cart. This is not meant for lifting, it's just meant for pushing and stuff like that. Okay. Let's see, what else do we have here? We have a repair kit, just in case anything gets damaged. Got some extra parts here. The video, and some extra parts here. Okay. I got the hooks. These hooks are great for stands and whatnot. And let's put them on. I'm gonna definitely have to cut this video because it's too long. Here are the hooks. Now the hooks have these 1/4-20 knobs to put them on wherever you like. I am going to put them front here for now. It has some extra holes if you want to put some extra nuts or bolts into them, just in case you want to make it sturdier, but this should be enough. Because it's just for some stands or some, I'll just show you. This is just a simple tripod stand. There you go. You can put several, just hook them there. They sent, what's this? Fiery cinnamon. I'll leave that for someone else because I did order extra. Trying to figure out what do you call it. Basically, it's kind of like a skirt that goes around the sides there to avoid stuff rolling off. Okay, so this has some Velcro together there. Perfect. So it has some clips, button clips there to go around. So I imagine it goes like this. Perfect. Start with this one. Button clip there. Button clip there. Button clip there. There. Button clip there. Button clip there. There. Perfect. And there we go. We have our production cart. Bottom, top. It does have some play, but I don't think that's it's just probably because of the size of the cart. Yeah. Perfect. Now, I'll give you a review after some time to see how it goes. But so far, so good. It looks nice. Feels comfortable. Seems I can put a lot of stuff. Pretty well made. Good thing they have some repair parts too, just in case. So, any questions, feel free to ask me. Lava cart. I'll have the discount code on the bottom there so you can use it if you want. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a general discount code. Let me know if you want any other review on any other product. The other thing I bought recently to help with my video productions is the sack. This is a camera saddle. Save your back. Yep, it did. I used that at a wedding recently. I want to do a video about this shortly. But also, I'm going to give you guys a link to this, not an affiliated, so you can see what I'm talking about before I do my video. Okay, guys, any questions, any concerns, feel free to ask me. I'm going to shorten this video out. Peace. Okay, guys, feature me here. So I'm putting this little note in the middle here. I found out what's going on with that little play that you saw, that little wiggle. You do have to put the top part a certain way because there's a spacer to make it tight. And once that's tight, then it won't wiggle. I'll show it to you guys after I figure it out. And yeah, so I'll show you a video some other time about that. But it does not have a play anymore.